Good morning everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. So I am outside of Home Goods, we're just waiting for them to open. They're gonna be opening in about 10 minutes. And I wanted to show you what I got at my daughter's holiday boutique before I go in. Let me show you. Okay, so they have this at my daughter's school every year. And the first items I got were these little refrigerator magnets, and they were $2 each. I've gotten these before, but my dog actually chewed on them and they're no good anymore. So I got 9 of them. $2 each, that's really good. And then I love getting this. It's homemade jam. I got the strawberry flavor. It's so good. And the last thing that I got was this little Merry Christmas sign. It's $5. I mean, it's not really good for the price, but it's for the school, so for a good cause. So today is basically just a shopping day. That's one of the reasons why I'm at Home Goods. I'm hoping to find my mother-in-law something here. And I also need to go to Target to get all the kids out of the way. And of course, I also want to check out Hobby Lobby because I still have not been there. I haven't been able to go. So we're going to do that. And they're actually opening up now, so let's go. Back from Home Goods, and I only got 2 items and they're actually just for me, but I got these cute little weenie dog wrapping paper, and I got the Ray Dunn, Mrs. Claus and Mr. Claus. So hopefully I have more luck at Target. Now to fit all this in here. Here's my little sneak peek. I will show you everything at home. Now let's head over to Hobby Lobby. So I just arrived at Hobby Lobby and it is super busy. It took me 15 minutes to find a parking, and I ended up just parking along the wall next to Hobby Lobby, and I think it's okay because there's other cars here. But I did get everything that I needed from Target. We are just shopping for the kids and of course my father and mother-in-law. I did want to take you guys with me in there, but I'm not too sure how busy it is. But of course I will show you everything I get at home, and I'll see you in a bit. So I am finally back. Hobby Lobby was just way too packed. I could not take you guys with me. I only ended up getting 3 things. Churro, no. Sorry about that. She's trying to get into the jam that I have. But yeah, it was just way too busy. I did want to say that I'm still vlogging 2 days a week because of my working schedule. But right now what I'm going to do is just clean. Usually on my first day off, the house is completely trashed. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then right after I'm done, I will show you what I got from all the stores. Oh my gosh, this dog is so bad. He is chewing on some of Emma's toys, but that's her fault for leaving them out. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, I am finally done cleaning. It's much later. My husband and daughter are both home, and I'm gonna try to show you everything that I got, and I'm gonna show you really quick because I do want to get these wrapped by tonight. So let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna start off with Target. I just got this fabric shower liner because I got the plastic one, and it's starting to get a little yucky. So I thought these were much better because it does say that it's water repellent. And then I got a stainless steel sink mat. And then I got this for our shower, and then just some shampoo. I actually got this yesterday, but I thought I should throw it in here since it is Christmassy. Sorry about the noise, they are playing out there. And then I just got these cheap little towels. I think they're $3.99 each, so when guests come. And then you already saw these this morning. You saw this one. And my mother-in-law, she actually asked for Tupperware and towels, so I got her these 2. And I only got 2 items from Hobby Lobby. So, no, 3 items, I'm sorry. So I got this Ornament Addict, and then I got this cute little light up holiday necklace, I guess. And then I did show you this one from Home Goods. And then this I got at Hobby Lobby. A little gingerbread wrapping paper. And the Tupperware that I got for my mother-in-law is this OXO Softworks, I guess. And normally she asks for Tupperware every year, but she usually gets plastic. But this time I got her the glass one, so it'll last longer. And lastly, from Target, I got these 3, and I'm gonna be using these for the bathroom. Now for the kids. So I got this for my 2 nephews. So we're just gonna give this for both of them. It's a little wooden train, 102 pieces. Hope their parents don't get mad. And then this will be for my little niece. She's gonna be 1 soon. And for Emma, I got her a little Barbie. And then also she's been asking for this, I guess all the kids are into it, these Orbeez. And then this big LOL set. I guess it has a bunch of stuff in it. I don't know what she's been asking. Oh, it doesn't have a picture. Okay, I know she'll love that. And the last thing that we got for Emma is this Barbie, I don't know what it is, RV, I guess. Oh yeah, a camper, yeah. So, okay, so that is everything for the kids. I actually did get something from Costco for my 2 nieces, yes. So, sorry about the mess in here, but I already got one for Emma. She's already using it. This little mermaid, what is it, not a towel, blanket. Little mermaid blanket. So I got them all the same color so no one fights for them. Alright, so that is everything. That's everything from Target, Hobby Lobby, and Home Goods. Oh, I do have one more thing. I actually already put it outside, but I guess I can show you. Let me just get it really quick.
Air Force Grease.
You can turn on the light. Hopefully you can see I just got this little home mat, related one, and that's it. So as I was getting everything ready to wrap presents, I noticed I did not have tape, so I will just include that in tomorrow's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
I have a sink and I'm in this room. Where am I?
Something that's pink and has a sink.